Well, hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Let's talk about how to fly off the handle to supersize and grow your business. Fly off the handle, of course, is an idiom from the 1800s when hand tools were used a lot in building homes, in chopping wood, and having wood available for fire for cooking and things. And a lot of them were made in a kind of a shoddy way. So somebody might be chopping furiously on a tree and the axe head would go flying off the handle. And the idiom fly off the handle was born because it could easily be compared to somebody that was super duper upset, had lost their temper, was furiously angry and out of control, was often like the axe head flying off the handle being out of control. So how can you use things, people being super duper upset, furious, angry about something to grow and build your business? Well, when people have problems and are upset about something, do you think you could help them with solutions that would help them make their life better? That's usually what our businesses are about. We usually have a business that solves a problem or provides a solution or makes life faster, easier, less expensive for our customers. So, excuse me, what kind of things, toxic situations, really upset or cause your customers more problems? If we ask ourselves that, that is one of the first and fastest ways to determine how we can prevent our customers from flying off the handle. Number one, at us, but number two, in their life in general, by helping them to find solutions to the problems and the situations they find themselves in that upset them. Because all of us get more upset when we have a problem or a situation that, especially if we're not sure how to handle it, if we're not sure what to do with it. So ask yourself, how can we continue to solve problems for our customers? How can we change how they're reacting or how they're feeling about certain situations, certain problems that they're having in their life? If we can alleviate and solve a problem for people, that reduces their stress, that saves them time, energy, money, resources, and makes their life better and easier. And anytime we can do that, people will flock to us, and that helps to grow and supersize our business. If we understand why they feel this way, why they're getting upset, what the problem is, and the actual feelings behind the anger, behind the problem, we can also find better, more creative, faster, easier, more efficient, more effective ways to help them solve the problem. It's kind of all about solving problems for people. If we can side with them and champion them in any way, shape, or form, it brings them closer to us and builds on our relationship and increases the likelihood that they will be lifetime customers for us. I like to ask myself a couple of questions when I'm personally upset about something flying off the handle. And many of us actually have created businesses that are a reflection of us. We've solved a problem for ourselves, and now we provide that solution to other people because we know that we're not the only one on the planet that has that problem or has that challenge. So sometimes I just try to ask myself, well, if I had that problem, I like to put myself in my customer's shoes. If I had that problem still, or if I've had that problem in the past, how did I feel about it? What was going on? What else was going on in my life, my situation, my business that was impacted by that particular problem, that particular challenge? What was another way to look at it? What was another way to respond? What else is possible? What else is possible is one of my favorite questions, because so often we get ourselves boxed into thinking that we have to do this or that there's only a couple of solutions, there's only a couple possible outcomes to any situation that we're in. And the truth is, there's always dozens and dozens, if not infinite possibilities in terms of how we can deal with a certain situation, how we can solve a problem, how we can go about improving something or figuring something out. And if we lock ourselves into thinking that there's only a couple solutions, we miss out on the possibility of there being so many better ways of dealing with something, so many opportunities to come up with better solutions for everyone involved. It's like if you think that competition is important and that somebody has to win and somebody has to lose. Guess what? There's all kinds of other nuances in how people can relate to one another and how businesses can coexist. I always also like to look at the results that we're getting in our business and in our life. If we're in situations that feel bad to us, we're doing something that isn't for us. So we want to do everything that we can to make sure that our customers and the people that work in our organization feel good about the solutions that we're providing for people. If something makes them feel good, they'll move toward it. If something makes them feel bad, they'll move away from it. So if we want them to move toward our organization, we have to always make sure that we are providing solutions that feel good from our customer's point of view. Not from our, they should feel good from our point of view too, as service providers or problem solvers or product creators. But it's important that we put ourselves in the shoes of our customers and we know that their experience is good and positive and feels good to them, so that they will come back to our organization again to help us grow and supersize and build our business. So I'd love to know your experience with this particular idiom or expression, fly off the handle. Have you ever had a customer fly off the handle at you? Sometimes what we do is we find out that when customers fly off the handle at us and are upset at us, they're not really upset at us at all. They're upset about a whole bunch of other stuff that's going on in their life, and this is just the thing that tripped their trigger and caused them to explode about something that really has nothing to do with us. That's why I don't believe in the expression that the customer is always right. I used to believe that, but I don't anymore, because I've learned that there's always more to investigate, more to look into, and more to figure out to determine how to deal with the situation. We always want to treat people the way we want to be treated, with dignity and respect, and make sure that we are providing them with solutions that will help them, not just a quick fix, but in the longer term, so that we have the longevity to grow and build our businesses as well. So go out, have an absolutely amazing day. I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow your business right now? Take care.